Hello friends. I hope you will be fine. Vivo has launched its latest foldable smartphone, Vivo X Fold 2, on April 20, 2023. The Vivo's foldable smartphones are powered by high-end processors, big screen, large batteries, and comes with multiple cameras that can capture high-quality images and videos. In this video we will talk about the specifications, price and features of Vivo X Fold 2 in detail. But before this, if you are new on this channel, then immediately subscribe our channel to get latest news and updates. Let's start this video. First we open the box of Vivo X Fold 2. You will see case in black color, USB Type-C cable and charger of 120 watt. Now remove plastic wrap of phone and talk about its design. The design of any phone is its most important element, which attracts customers. Vivo X Fold 2 has under-display fingerprint sensor is given. On its right side power button and volume rocker can be seen. At the bottom microphone, USB Type-C port and stereo speakers can be seen. At the top microphone and stereo speakers is given. Hinge mechanism is also updated in this phone. Due to water drop hinge, when you close the phone it will be completely closed. On the back of phone, there is a triple camera setup and LED flash is given in the top in a circular shape. And the branding of Vivo is also given. If we talk about the price of Vivo X Fold 2, then its expected price can be $1,450, 2,000 Canadian dollars, 13,030 euros, 1,20,000 Indian rupees, 2,90,000 Pakistani rupees and 1,70,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that we talk about the foldable display. It comes with LTPO4 HDR10 plus AMOLED display of 8.03 inches. And its screen resolution is 1916 by 2160 pixels. An advantage of LTPO4 display is that the display can adjust its refresh rate according to the material being displayed on it. And if we talk about the unfoldable display, then it has a AMOLED display of 6.5 inch. And its screen resolution is 1080 by 2520 pixels. And 360 ppi density is given. And within this refresh rate of 120 Hz is given, which is a good refresh rate. And max peak brightness of 1800 and 1600 nits is given, which provide great visibility in bright sunlight. If we talk about the operating system of Vivo X Fold 2, then latest Android 13 operating system is used. And the layer of Origin OS 3 is used on it. If we talk about its chipset power, then it is the first foldable phone of the world in which Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset is used, which is the flagship processor. And it provide higher performance for multitasking with low power consumption and thermal control. And it provide good graphics and fast speed for heavy games like PUBG, Call of Duty and Fortnite. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which one CPUs of 3.2 GHz, for CPUs of 2.8 GHz and 3 SPUs of 2.0 GHz is given, which is enough for multitasking. And Adreno 740 GPU support is given. If we talk about battery department, then it is equipped with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 4800 mAh. And fast charger of 120 watt is given, which charge your phone from 0 to 100% in 26 minutes only. Within this 50 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse wireless charger is given. If we talk about cameras, then it has 50 megapixel main sensor with a wide aperture of f1.9. And within this phase detection autofocus, optical image stabilization and autofocus feature is given, which is good for photography. And it helps in capturing clear images by focusing moving objects. And second one is telephoto sensor of 12 megapixels with f2.0 apertures. And within this PDAF and optical zoom feature of 2x is also given. And third one is ultra-wide sensor of 12 megapixels with f2.0 aperture and PDAF feature. And you can record maximum video of 8K at 30 FPS from the main camera. You can get clear and detailed oriented images and video clips from this video. The phone has a 16MP in-display and cover display front camera for selfies and video calls. Let's see some pictures which is taken from Vivo X Fold 2. In terms of memory, Vivo X Fold 2 comes with LPDDR5X 12GB RAM. It comes with two variants. First variant 12GB plus 256GB and second variant 12GB plus 512GB. If we talk about the body dimensions then, the height of unfolded phone is 161.3 mm, 143.4 mm width and thickness of 6 mm. And the height of folded phone is 161.3 mm, 73.4 mm width and thickness is 12.9 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 89.3%, which is a good ratio. And its weight is 279 grams. It is lightweight and thin than its previous generation. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass Victus is given on the front. And its back panel is made of glass and leather and its frame is made of aluminum. Connectivity. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. It is available in three famous black, blue and red colors. So guys, which feature of Vivo X Fold 2 do you like the most and what is your opinion about this phone? Please tell us in the comment section. And to see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon for latest updates. Goodbye and take care.